You're bidding on a Unitron. This is a inverted micro metallurgical microscope. It's got 4 oculars. I get not ocular, the lens, the different, they're down here underneath. 93 455, 93 255, 93 274, 93 467. Comes with all of this. I'll have individual shots. You want to light this thing up, and okay, got 2 different light intensities, or just one?
This is high.
Oh, okay.
This is low.
Oh yeah, you can see it's high and low. Flick it. All right. And then why don't you show the stage here? All right, it goes back and forth, front to back, and then over here it goes up and down. Can I get down here? Pretty clean. It's not stuck or anything. Everything is smooth. It doesn't bind. This came out of the test lab stock room of a large corporation. Evidently, they have kept this in backup. I don't know what for reason, but it's in very, very, very nice shape. You can turn them off now. And it comes with, these look like filters, different color filters. Got extra light bulbs. I don't know what this stuff is. If you're looking at it, I guarantee you, you know more about it than I do. This is a screen that's tissue. Nice wood box. You want to put the thing back in there?
This goes in here.
Yeah, slide. All that goes in here. And then here's some caps. Forgot about. Here's the caps. So this is what it is. Like I say, we'll have separate. Why don't you rotate it, please? That's what it is. Good luck bidding.